Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video showing you my most favorite pairs of heels that I wear. My most favorite heels, pairs of heels. These are my top 5 favorite heels that look good on wide feet and just feel comfortable for wide feet. So the first pair of heels that I have are these Jeffrey Campbell ones. It's a black suede peep toe style heel, and then it has this really cute this really cute lace-up detail in the back. And what I like about these is that it goes up past your ankles. I don't know, I personally like heels that kind of go higher up on the leg. I think it looks better. These ones are my most favorite ones. They're super worn in and they're just super cute, and I get a lot of compliments when I wear these ones. So the next one is also by the brand Jeffrey Campbell, and these ones are different style. It has a wooden heel and it's like this taupe design with these laces in the front. So what's good about this one is if you have wide feet, you can open them up and it'll fit your feet. Oh, and I really like this kind of metal color. It's kind of like a gunmetal color. They also have this in black, so if you like black, then you can go with the black version. So next pair that I love are these ones. They're from the brand Tom's. I love these ones so much that I don't only have one, but I have two and I have a third one. So they're all the same style. They have this, I think it's called a perforated look to them. They're just super comfortable. They fit wide feet good. I just pretty much have them in all different colors. So I have one in kind of more of like a nude beige color. I have one in a olive color. It's like a deep olive color, super pretty. And then I just have these black ones, super easy to just throw on with anything. I believe they still sell this. They do for sure. Actually no, I know they sell these. So if you can't find these Jeffrey Campbell ones, I don't think you can find these black ones anymore. So if you can't find that, then there's these ones. They still sell this at Nordstrom, I believe. And then these ones, I think they also sell these at Nordstrom, or you can go on their website and I think you can get like a $10 off if you sign up with an email. The next pair of heels that I have are just really basic. This is just a basic black pair of boots. Once again, they go up your ankle. They're from ASOS and it has this just like a little design, but I think it makes it look really cool and edgy. There's nothing else to say. These boots do scratch up really fast, like if you rub them against the other pair or the other side, like over here. I don't know if you can see, but other than that I don't really care because these were pretty affordable. So kind of just like a throw on. You don't have to worry if you get them dirty or destroyed, you know. That's what's good about finding cheap boots. The last pair that I wanted to show you, this one's actually kind of out of my comfort zone just because I kind of feel a little self-conscious when I wear these types. It's from Target and these are in a size 6 and they are size, no wait, and it is $24.99. So pretty much this, I feel like this heel is a complete dupe for the Steve Madden ones. I forget what it's called, Steve Madden Irene. I could be making that up, but these seriously look the exact same. There's a strap around your ankle. There's different colors. There's a black one. There's like a brown suede one. I personally like black because it goes with everything. So pretty much I went to Nordstrom. I tried on the Steve Madden ones and like this part fit. Like my feet could fit in it, but it seriously looked like, I don't even know, it just looked wrong. My biggest part of my foot, which is like, you know how there's the toes and there's this was just like, okay, I can't even describe it. It just didn't look right. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.